My family and I are busy people. On Friday, we went to the movie theater. We watched a funny movie. On Saturday, we made breakfast. We made pancakes. They were delicious. On Sunday, we went bowling. I got 2 strikes. I was very happy. We had a fun weekend. But now I am so tired. I look out the window. Today is not a sunny day. It is rainy day. It is cold outside. I am not happy. Instead, I go to the mall with my mom. I put on my raincoat and my boots. Then we leave the house. At the mall, my mom buys me some hot chocolate. Now I am warm and happy.